Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy fabric conditioner. This will be made with just one ingredient, two if you count the water. It literally takes probably 15 seconds, I'm not kidding, 15 seconds to make it. Let's see how to make it. One thing that I highly suggest before starting to make your fabric conditioner is to label it. Remember always to label every single chemical that you will make in your house, just to avoid to use it in the wrong way. So first of all, just open your bottle, place a funnel on top and put inside the citric acid. Then add water until you fill up the bottle. Close the bottle and shake it and shake it well until the citric acid will disappear completely. Your fabric conditioner is ready. Nothing else to do. What you can do is to put about half a cup in the fabric conditioner drawer in your washing machine every time you use it, and in the drawer you can add some essential oil, otherwise you can use it like this and you'll see it works very well. It costs nothing compared to the fabric conditioner that they sell in the supermarket.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too, so if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to Tebe Studio UK channel that I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, honey.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.